Hey guys, so today I want you to meet my new cat Peanut. He found a bird. He always does bird things like this. Peanut, Peanut, here you go. He is a very nice cat. He is a stray cat, and look, see, here he is. His name is Peanut, and his last name His whole name is Peanut with Cream Strawberry. I couldn't think of the right name, so I just named him that. He is a stray cat. We just found him on our fence one day. Then he just jumped over the fence, so we went over to see him. And he was a very nice cat. Then we just fed him. Then he just started to really like us. And then he just started to live with us. And now he's basically our cat. And he is a very nice cat, a very playful cat, and like such a cute little guy. I think he is one of the cutest cats I've found yet. I really think. We used to have some more cats, but then they passed away, and one ran away. So now I think this is just going to be a real cat now. It's a cute cat, and we haven't taken it to the vet yet. We think we are going to take it soon, because it is one of the most precious stray cats I've ever found. We found other stray cats, but the other ones were not really friendly. They jumped over the fence. And this cat is like the cutest little guy ever. Like, he even falls asleep on my hand all the time. And I think he's like so cute. Like the cutest little guy I've ever seen ever. I have other cats that were cute, but this is the cutest little boy I have because he's a boy. And it's just the cutest thing. And that's all I have for today. Bye.